You ever notice how stress hijacks your focus, like your brain's stuck buffering? You're not broken, you're just breathing wrong. Apkarian's 2019 study showed something powerful. Slow, conscious breathing increases prefrontal oxygenation. That's blood flow to your brain's control center, the part that governs focus, discipline, and decision-making. But most people breathe shallow and fast, starving their cortex, feeding anxiety instead of clarity. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 neuroscience-inspired steps to use your breath for cortical control. Calm power, on command. Let's unlock it. The oxygen trap. Here's what happens. When stress hits, your breathing shifts to autopilot. It gets shallow, chest-based, and fast. The brain's panic loop. You feel alert, but mentally drained. And your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your mind, goes offline. Apkarian's research found that this shift literally reduces oxygenation in your prefrontal area, cutting off executive control. In studies, they scanned people experiencing burnout symptoms and found significant drops in prefrontal oxygenation after fractured focus. That's why you snap at people, lose focus mid-task, or doom scroll instead of creating. It's not a metaphor, it's a measurable energy crash. But there's a way to reverse it in under 2 minutes. Turning the brain back on. Think of your breath as a dimmer switch. When you control it, you send a signal to your nervous system. We're safe. That signal floods your prefrontal cortex with oxygen again, rebooting clarity, composure, and creative focus. Apkarian's team measured this. Slow nasal breathing lights up oxygen flow to the frontal lobes. It's like flipping manual mode on your brain, but doing it once won't fix your baseline. To build control, you need consistency, and here's where the real training starts, the cortical warm-up. Before any deep work, workout, or confrontation, you need a neural warm-up. 2 minutes of intentional breathing primes your brain for control. It's not meditation, it's mechanical. Oxygen plus attention. This is step 1 of the Breathing for Cortical Control protocol. But this alone won't work. You need the next 2 steps to make it automatic. Solution: the 3-step Breathing for Cortical Control protocol. Step 1, the 2-minute reset, immediate before a task. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6. Do this for 2 minutes. It slows your heart, signals safety, and oxygenates your prefrontal cortex. Try it before opening your laptop. You'll feel the mental noise drop. Step 2, the science-backed anchor, Apkarian method. During stress spikes, place your hand on your chest, notice the rise fall, and extend the exhale. Apkarian's team found this kind of focus-driven breathing increases oxygenation and cognitive control within minutes. Real creators use it. Mid-project, 1 pause, 5 breaths, focus restored. Step 3, the long-term upgrade, daily system. Every morning, do 5 minutes of nasal breathing at a 5-to-5 rhythm. In for 5, out for 5. After a few weeks, your nervous system learns this rhythm as your default calm state. You don't chase focus anymore. It's built in. Here's what to do right now. Pause this video. Do 1 2-minute breathing cycle. Inhale 4, exhale 6. Feel the clarity kick in. That's cortical control activating. Comment below, does focus come from discipline or biology? Watch next, the 11-minute memory recode. It stacks perfectly with this. If this helped, hit like. Help serious creators find us. Thanks for your time. This channel is free from paywalls and courses. To keep this knowledge accessible to everyone, you can support the mission using the link in the channel bio and video description.